Good morning! Here we are. Jesus, I don't even know what time it is. It's gotta be like 8 o'clock in the morning. Clock reset because I was messing with the bike and had the battery out. But let me take a look at the phone. $8:49. Oh, 9 o'clock almost in the morning. Not bad for me. Of course, I've been up all night, so don't think I got up this early. I like being up in the morning though. There was a time. Today we're going to try to get the bike sound, the Mic Pro. I tried it under the seat and there was a lot of vibration noise. I think that's what it was. It's just noise from the bike vibrating around in there. So, what I'm going to try to do is put it in my leg bag. A little side bag here on the right side. Yeah, it's right here. You can see that. We'll put it in there. See how that works out. I was going to turn in there, but there's too many cars parked on the side of the road. I had good luck with that with the Mic Air. So I think it'll be equally as good, or way better, with the Mic Pro. So let me run in the gas station here, and I'll be back. So either that worked or it didn't, right? Either way, we'll find out. Keep making progress on it. Keep trying different things. Same settings as I always use. Low cut, auto gain control, opti whatever mics. Beautiful morning. Usually the sun's over there. Now the sun's over there. What the hell? What the hell? Alright. We'll check this video out, see how it goes. Keep trying. Let's go. Look at all these frickin' geese. They all were baby geese like a week ago. Always fun. Shocking how much louder this helmet is than my old HJC i10. And this is the Ralph 11 Pro Carbon. I don't know. What the fuck are you doing? Probably the last carbon I buy, unless I can get these earplugs figured out. I guess maybe if I close the visor all the way. Yeah, that's about 90%. No, it just popped open again. My Temu fucking visor. Guess I should have done that. Must be this blue visor. You know, I'm putting it all together now. I didn't have trouble with the sound on this helmet until I put this AliExpress visor on the thing. It is really nice as far as clarity and fit and shielding you from the sun. But it just doesn't seal up when it's not, but just a lot louder until you click or shut. Guess I have to learn the lesson the hard way. I just hate having them clipped all the way shut. Learn something new every day. See you in the next one. Peace and love and happiness and joy.